Yo, what's up, guys? Today we're gonna be talking about the forms of a quadratic equation, right? So, from middle school, you've been taught stuff like this. The standard form: y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, where this is the thing that multiplies the thing, you know? X is the input, Y is the output, this the quadratic, this the whatever, and this the constant. Wow. Now see that whenever you do this, you can see that the constant is gonna be the y-intercept, right? This equation is used to see y-intercept. But other forms, such as intercept or vertex form, will help you figure out the vertex, this equation, and the intercepts, x-intercepts, which is this equation. Where P is the first one and Q is the second one, where the X is, you know? And we're gonna be figuring out how to transfer in between these forms, or actually what they're used for, I guess.
Yo, guys, Assistant Professor Maksym here, and I'll be teaching you guys how to turn the vertex form of the quadratic equation into standard form, and standard form into vertex form. So in order to get the vertex form into the standard form, you need to expand the vertex form. So expand, right? And there's basically only one way to expand. Let's make a hypothetical equation here. Y equals 1 x minus 1 squared plus 1, right? So to get this into standard form, you need to multiply everything that you can and simplify as much as you can. So basically you need to go y equals, here we have exponent, so 1 x what's it called, like x squared, and then like here we have x minus 1 times x minus 1, because that's basically x minus 1 squared. So we have x times x, which is x squared, then x times -1, which is negative x, then -1 times x again, so we're gonna have -2x, and then -1 times -1, which is +1, so +1 in parentheses, and then +1 outside the parentheses. Next we multiply, so y equals the 1 times the x, the whole equation, so x minus 2x plus 1 still. And now we have the parentheses open, we can get it to +1, and that's about it. We just add these two ones, so y equals x squared minus 2x plus 2 is going to be the standard form of this vertex form equation. So to get the vertex form from standard form, you need to complete the square, which as I'll show you, is pretty simple. So we take a hypothetical equation. We could I don't know, y equals, let's say, 1x squared plus I don't know, 2x plus 1. That's pretty simple. So basically, we take this and we see that we take the b, which is 2 here. We divide it by 2. So 2 divided by 2, and then we square it, which is going to give us 1 squared, which is just going to be 1. And in completing the square, you're going to put the ones that are on the right, you're going to put them in parentheses. So x squared plus 2x plus the one we just got here, and close the parentheses. And outside the parentheses, what you're going to do with this one, since we just added 1 in here, we're going to need to subtract the one on the other side so that they cancel each other out. So we're going to have minus 1, what's it called, plus the one we had here. So we're going to cancel them out. So we are going to have the equation y equals, what's important here is that we need to just 2 divided by, 2 divided by 2, or b divided by 2, so we could get squared. So, so it's going to be 1 plus, and then x squared, so divided by x. We're going to have x, so this is going to be the vertex form. As you can see, there's no k. The a is just going to be 1. So the vertex of this standard form, the vertex form is going to be this, and its vertex is going to be -1, 0. That's about it.
Okay, now we're gonna do intercept and standard form. So basically, when you have intercept form, you want to expand it, right, into standard form. So let's say, hold on, we have y is equal to, say, 1 for a, x minus, let's see, 3 for p, and x minus 4 for q. Now we want to expand this. So how we expand it, we multiply, right? So first of all, x squared, by doing this, and -4 times x, -4x, and -3 times x is -3x. Add these, makes it -7x, right? Now we do -3 and -4, which equals to +12. And looking at this, looks pretty simple, right? Now let's see if we can get back to intercept form using this. Now how do we do that? We do factorization. Okay, how do we do factorization? We see, hold on. We see basically what makes, well, you basically did this before in, I don't know, 8th grade math class. What adds into this coefficient while also multiplying to 12? Let's see the factors of 12. We have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Those are the factors of 12. Right? What adds to -7 though? Let's see. Can't be 1 and 12. No. 2 and 6. No, it's not add up to 7. 3 and 4 does though. 3 and 4 adds up to 7. But if you just do, hold on. Wait. Hold up. If you add 3 and 7, does not work. X plus 4. If you add these, 3 plus 4 does not add up to negative 7. So what do? We make them negative. Since we know that negative times negative is positive, we're going to x minus, wait. Oh my shit. X minus 3, x minus 4. Now this, you can see negative 3 and negative 4 add up to negative 7 while also multiplying to positive 12. And we can see that's our original equation. Now let's test this on Desmos. Wait. So the equation we had 1x minus 3, 1x minus 3, and x minus 4. And we have y equals x squared minus 7x and plus 12. See, they're overlapping each other.